One of the key motivators certainly for me to do the diploma was really the juncture in my surgical training. And I quickly realised in preparation for consultant interviews that whilst I was now allegedly a clinical expert, I certainly didn't have the skills as a clinical leader. Then was delighted to find that RCSI was running a professional diploma in clinical leadership. And it was just the perfect time in my career and with an institution that I was very familiar with. So that was a great finding for me. Balancing a delivery of the weekly homework and webinars actually was a lot easier than I had thought because the programme is so well structured. RCSI facilitated us by setting up webinar whereby we could link in as a group at any time that we arranged between all three of us. We use WhatsApp to communicate regularly, and we use Google Documents then to be able to collaborate and do live changes with our documents, so I didn't have any difficulties at all. The professional diploma has certainly helped me in a number of ways, but I suppose the one that stands out for me is really managing oneself and understanding oneself as a leader. I learned that I have to set smart goals, stick to timelines, and be quite realistic in what I want to achieve, and I think that will help me be a much better leader moving forward. Lastly, just a focus on the importance of networking and negotiating skills has been really, really important, and I hope that that will, as a group of consultants working in a department, help us to achieve our goals within the organisation and beyond.